Hey everyone, it's Thomas coming to you from MGM here. I have this 2019 custom Honda Civic Si Turbo Coupe, guys. It's finished in a beautiful original platinum white pearl with the black interior. This SI is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. The Carfax history report shows no accidents or mileage discrepancies in this Civic's past. It also confirms that this is a one-owner car registered from the state of California. So we picked up this car, bought it from the original owner. A partial list of notable equipment reported includes a limited slip differential, a sunroof, cloth upholstery, heated front seats, and a 10-speaker sound system. And like I mentioned, the first owner reports that this Civic has been modified for both street and track use. And that a partial list of notable modifications include AWE Tuning Touring Edition exhaust system, a Mishimoto engine air intake, a Setrab oil cooler, an EXEDY Stage 1 clutch, and an ACUITY SUT, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's ACUITY Stage 3 short shifter, along with the Swift Spec-R lowering springs and a set of 18-inch Enkei TS-5 wheels. So Honda released the 10th generation Civic for the 2016 model year as a sedan, a coupe, and a hatchback. Hatchback, Tom. The model shifted away from its econobox roots by offering a sharper looking design, guys. And that's what this Civic is in the 2019 year. So stock power comes from a 1.5 liter turbocharged inline 4. They rated this thing about 205 horsepower stock, but because of the modifications performed to this Civic, this thing's going to produce a little bit more power, but a dyno sheet was not provided to confirm, so I don't have that information. By driving the car, you can tell it does have more power than a stock car. The output is sent to the front wheels and the 6-speed manual transmission. A couple other upgrades that were done are the Swift Spec-R lowering springs, the SPC front camber ball joints, the 27-1 performance front strut tower bar, brake brace, rear motor mounts as well. All of this stuff has been upgraded. Sorry, I'm reading off a sheet. I'm not that good. Also, it has the white line rear tow arms, okay? The white line rear sway bar. We talked about the Enkei TS-5s on the car already. We do have the factory wheels that go with the sail. Track spec motorsport hood louvers, which look insanely awesome on this car. Versus engineering canards, front bumper mounts for license plate or tow hook. Honda factory performance side skirts. APR Performance GTC 200 carbon fiber adjustable rear wing, as you can see there in the back of the deck lid. Mugen door handle protectors and car alarm system, along with the adjustable ACUITY throttle pedal spacer. So some of the service documentation, a lot of stuff was done to it, very well maintained by the original owner. January of the latest was January of 26, small check inspection performed at 76,347 miles. So we're all good there. Clutch was replaced at 76,115 miles. So just recently in December of 25. And there's a few things like AC condenser replaced, battery replaced, engine oil, filter change, stuff like that. Additional service history is detailed in the Carfax report, which you guys can find on my website. Other items included in this particular sale, guys, you get 2 sets of keys, set of factory wheels with tires. Financing is available with low payments, delivery available to your driveway. I think you guys will be really happy with everything, especially in the quality of this car. Let's do a quick walk around. So you got power locks. Okay. You got your power windows. Here you have your sunroof for the tilt. And then to open it up. Okay. I don't think this right here does anything. Oh, it's for your lights. Okay. Got all your controls here. $76,902. Heat, defrost, heated seats, your brake hold, parking, sport mode, your 6-speed manual. Good stuff. All the turn signals, horn, lights, wipers. What else do you need? All right. Beautiful day here at MGM Classics. 60 degrees today. So right there, that brown building to the right, that is our detail shop, okay? And also our service department. We do service all our vehicles. We go through them, make sure they're all good. Please keep in mind, guys, we don't check every nut and bolt. We look them over, go for a test drive, as if we're doing now. all buckled in and ready to go. Sounds good. Oh wow, this thing scoots. This here is this is definitely modified, guys, as I talked about. Drives down the road real nice and smooth. This is third gear at 40 miles an hour. Brakes feel excellent. Steering is impeccable. Brakes are excellent on this thing. Wow. Well, let's see. We'll go this way. Too much traffic that way. So MGM Classics is primarily what we do, guys. But because this is a one-owner modified car out of California, it's got a great look to it. The guy did nice, tasteful mods to it. That's why I brought it into our dealership. I think it'll make somebody really, really happy. Usually we don't sell Civics. Oh, we do have an 81 in stock too. It's pretty cool. It's like a slingshot. I'll roll up the windows here. Very, very smooth and nice. Handling is impeccable. So MGM is located at 150 South Church Street, guys. We're Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you guys wanted to fly in and drive this baby back home and make a road trip out of it, it'd be fun. More than welcome. Accelerates like a boomerang, like a slingshot, man. We're gonna head back to the dealership, guys. I think we had a fun time, and if you guys need financing, your credit scores, you know, good credit score guys will get you financed. All different kinds of financing options available at MGM. So to fill out the application, please go to mgmclassiccars.com. Okay, you can check out the application there. If you need financing, it's not a problem as well, guys. Also, delivery is not a problem. Down payment about $2,200 to $2,400. You can roll in your sales tax. You can roll in your delivery charges if you'd like. Okay, so there you have it, folks. I appreciate your time with me today. We're going to head back to the main showroom. We got 2 showrooms here. And if you need delivery, you can call or text the number, in which is area code 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas, and thanks for watching. We'll talk very soon. Bye-bye.